Okay. Hi everyone, hi there.
Mom, put up there. Can I sit here?
Yeah, sure. It's gonna be a Father's Day celebration.
And Father's Day.
And Ladies' Day.
And Miggy's Day. Yeah.
There is also Miggy's Day. Huh?
Where are we going? We're going to eat in
Mom,
Po.
Daddy's car lightning is going to here.
Oh, that's a new car lightning. Wow.
And it goes and then Daddy car will drive to here.
Broom.
Boom.
And then once Daddy park here and Daddy get some water.
And
And
then
then we go.
Yes, here we are. Yes, there you go. And we are going to the... Oh, this is the hotel of Tito Tonyo.
before
Nice, Greenview Hotel. Yeah. But for us, where are we going, Mark?
we're going to
Father's Day.
dinner.
To Father's Day dinner. And that is there.
And you have happy birthday to that.
You have yeah, I have happy birthday to that.
Why happy birthday?
Daddy,
Okay.
Daddy, I have happy.
Daddy don't have birthday now because Daddy is getting old. If I celebrate birthday, I'm getting old. So no more birthday for Daddy.
Yes.
Mom, why Daddy's getting old?
Getting old because his age is
Because I'm celebrating Thomas' birthday, that's why.
it's gonna
It's
be
supposed to
happy
be-
Father's Day for you both. Bo. Tsura ni Mickey. Yes. Oh, we're going to that side. Oh, yung ano natin. Where's the restaurant? Yay.
Mom, I saw two on
Ay,
my
meron
fly.
pala ako dyang handle.
Daddy,
Yes.
two of them.
May handle pala ako ng cellphone dyan.
Daddy's right.
Nandun sa likod.
Where?
Wow.
Oh.
Yung pang-vlog.
Ma, Daddy.
Wow, it's a plug.
One and another one.
It's oh my
And another one, two.
flag.
Oh my friend.
Yay!
Dahil man tao.
Is
Daming kumakain.
this Father's
Sana
Day?
wala.
Ay, no, sa taas.
Is
po
that
ito.
Father's Day?
Father's Day, yes. Yung iba naman dun sa may ano kumakain yan. May bar na pala dyan. So,
That's wrong.
that's wrong.
That is wrong and this is correct.
Yes. Oh, dinidevelop nila yung ano. Ngayon na ulit ako nakapunta dito.
No!
We're going there, Miggy.
Where's the duck?
Where's Tata? He's the...
Where is he?
Where is she? Ito po. Yan.
Where is he now? Where is he?
Sige. Wow. Ang ganda. What? Tiknang gada pa. Ay, ang ganda.
Here we are.
Here we are.
Here.
Ay, dito na tayo?
Pa.
Hi everyone, we are here and we're celebrating Father's Day celebration. And there is the father. Huh?
Who's the tire green?
Where's the color green?
Who's the tire green?
The color green's dinosaur. Daddy, happy
This
Father's
one.
Hi.
Is this tire
Thank
green?
you.
Yeah, it's not color green. It's color yellow.
And is the tire green?
Hmm?
Who's
Happy Father's Day. Ang dami namang kutsilyo para namang magpapatayan tayo. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day sa tatay namin.
Thank you.
Ito ang nagpatatay sa kanya. Happy Father's Day din sa iyo, Mingy. Abo, what are you eating? You like it?
I like this one, this one.
Yeah, I like this one, this one. Wow.
Sabi kasarap naman yung food.
Nom, nom, nom.
Takan. Tak. Tak.
Wait lang.
Pinagtatawanan ata tayo ng kabilang lamesa.
O kasi picture tayo ng picture.
Higit na sila.
Papa,
Ito,
one.
sa right side lang.
Oo.
Mm.
Mami.
May behind the scene pala dyan.
Abo.
Ayos ditong iniwan.
Masarap.
Malambot. Gonna take it, ano?
Ah. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Kakaida ka. What about Miggy? I give to Miggy. Apo, apo, apo. Yummy. Yummy. Isa pa. Ba, this is a cherry. Masarap.
Sarap po.
Gawa lang dito. Kaya yung bake